Hey, this is Keith Forrester, Plumbing Service Manager here at Assured Comfort and Licensed Master Plumber. I want to go over with you real quick how we safety check your water heater. A few different factors. We have natural gas supply, so we're going to check that for any leaks, smells, bubble test, make sure there's no leaks there. We're going to check your burner assembly to make sure it's firing properly. We're going to check the draft to make sure that it's venting properly so you have no carbon monoxide poisoning coming into your home. And we're going to check your temperature and pressure relief valve, which is designed to relieve high temperature or high pressure situations within the tank to make sure it's functional, not seized, etc. And your thermal expansion tank, which relieves excess pressure in the system when the water heats. We want to make sure that it's functional and the diaphragm is still intact. On top of that, we're just looking at the age of the heater, because if it's at 10 years or older, a lot of those factors can be at play at once, and typically we just are looking at replacement at that point.